Oh, I need to sneeze. Okay, it's not coming out. So guys, I've got my hair here ready to be slicked. So I have blow dried and straightened my hair, but I haven't straightened my hair properly. I've only straightened it in like massive chunks, just because where my hair's grown so much now, like I actually have like a sizable puff, which makes doing ponytails a bit harder because there's like a massive puff on my head. So that's the only reason I've straightened my hair, but I haven't done like a proper straightener. As you can see, it's very like low heat, just to make the puff thinner. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm talking about, but yeah, just so that it's easier for me to manage when I'm doing the ponytail. Yeah, but that's completely optional. It depends on if you can braid down. I'm not good at braiding hair in the slightest, so like I can't take a big puff and like thin it down. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is take my hair and position it where I want it. I want quite a high ponytail, so I'm gonna put it like here. I like my ponytails really high though, so I'm gonna position my hair here. Cool. And then just tie it like so. So we've got a loose idea. Then what I do is I take what I call like the outside bits of my ponytail. So like these bits here. At the back as well, just take out like the outside bits because you want to do this in layers. Cool. So you've got all the outside bits out. Tie the outside bits out of the way. So like take this bit, tie it so it's out of the way. And the same with the back. I hope this is all in focus. It's probably not, is it? It's giving me no focus. There we go. I'm gonna take my my red one wax in the red original formula. This is way better than gummy. I keep telling you guys this, and the reason I use this gel first is because I need a strong gel for the base like of the ponytail, so like the mold. I need a really strong gel for that because my hair, as you guys can see, it's not like my hair is particularly thick. I just have a lot of hair, so I need something that's going to really hold down all the hair. So I just take this. Now before I used to slick my hair in loads of small layers, but where my hair's gone longer now, as you guys can see, I just don't have time to be doing all that. And there's no need to be doing it in small layers because I've got enough length in my hair now where I don't need to do that. Does that make sense? But if you watch my old slicking videos, you'll see that I used to do like loads of different layers. And I'm kind of just like taking those steps away and making it a bit easier for myself. I'm just doing my hair in 2 layers, like 2 main layers. So cool. What I do is I take my good old slick brush. You need a brush that's like not too hard but not too soft, so like medium firmness I'd say, and just start slicking your hair. Just tie it. Don't tie it too tight because it's just going to give you hassle when you have to take it all out again. Cool. So you tie that. That's all done. I'm going to do the same thing at the back. So for the back, oh, let me even take the back out. So for the back, I'm going to do the same thing. Back, I'm going to take this middle layer here, so I've still left some bits out the back here, but this middle layer here, I'm going to put some, hope you guys can see that, but this middle layer here, I'm going to take some wax section at the back. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. And just work that through. For the last piece at the back, because I don't want it to be like white, I'm gonna take my Desire Edge Control Extreme Hold. I'm gonna take that for the last section at the back and like put it up there, back section like so. I'm gonna take my slick brush and do the same thing. Exactly the look I want. So I then almost broke a nail. See, that's what I mean about not tying this too tight. I almost broke a nail trying to get this hairband out. Ooh, that was painful. Yeah, this is why I say don't do the ponytail too tight when you're still moulding the hair, because you look at this faff that I'm going through just to oh god. What I'm gonna do is just tie all of that work we've done at the back together. Cool. Make the ponytail loose. Let me not make the same mistake again. Cool. Then you want to take the front layer. Now, this front layer, you might have noticed, is slightly more pressed out, so I put a little bit more heat on the front just because it's the bit that's going to be seen. The rest of the hair I don't care about, like it being particularly cool. Right, back with my Desire Edge Control. The reason I don't use this all over is because it's a really good gel. It's really good. I compare this to like a style factor, so I personally for my hair wouldn't compare it to a gummy, but I compare it very strong as like a style factor. Great finish, great hold, but for my hair I need slightly more hold for the middle bit. I have slicked my hair all over using this, but for a high ponytail where I want it to be more sleek, I have to mix the gels, just because this gel, like I said, it's very much like a style factor and it doesn't dry white, which is why I use it on the top layer. So I'm just going to start off with I'm actually just going to start off with the middle for this. I don't know if I want to cool. I keep working this Desire Edge Control through my hair. Thought I was filming, but I wasn't. But I've taken the headband out that was in the middle because now everything's slick. And I'm just gonna tie everything to get together. For the sake of the ponytail actually being like thin, I'm just gonna plait this hair down. This is what I couldn't do if my hair was still in a puff, by the way. This is just me personally. Like I said, do not straighten your hair if you are someone who can actually plait your hair. Because my hair pretty much slicks like this whether I blow dry it or not, whether I straighten it or not, I mean. So yeah. Cool. Now for the ponytail itself, I'm using my Doled by DH 30-inch wraparound pony. This is like an instant pony, so no like wraparound method, extended method, because I'm lazy, I ain't got time. You literally just extend it. My clips are bent and broken, but you literally attach it with these and then you're good to go. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just secure it in place using the clips, and then you literally take my Buster straighteners. Funny story, I actually did buy new straighteners and I broke them within like 2 weeks of buying them, but I'm gonna re-buy them again. There were some really good titanium straighteners that I got from Amazon. I will do a video with my new straighteners when I buy them again, but yeah, for now I'm just going to use my busted old Remington straighteners that I melted through with a hot comb, yeah, and finish up this and just straighten the ponytail. Cool, ponytail is all together. This is looking so cute. The last final touch is literally my baby hairs, my edges. Funnily enough, I used to really not like using the Desire gel for my edges. Then I figured out it was my fault, because with this stuff, what I used to do is I used to slick up my hair with it and then try to pull the baby hairs out. But when this stuff dries, it dries, which is a good thing. It really is fast drying, like it says. So with this stuff, pull out your baby hairs beforehand and you'll love it for your edges. So I'm just gonna slick down my edges like so. My gorgeous ponytail complete. That is my tutorial on how I do my ponytail. This hairstyle is like perfect for the summer. Well, maybe if you're in America or a hot state in America or another hot country, because the summer in this UK is a bit questionable, to be confirmed, but it is the perfect hot girl hairstyle regardless. Nice, sleek, elegant, and it just shows your face. And this is how I do mine, my new technique, the new products I use to slick my hair. You know, I always keep you guys plugged with every single product out there possible to slick type 4 hair. So yeah, this is what we have today. I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. I hope this is quick and easy. Like, this was actually like one of the easiest ponytail styles I've done, like the easiest method that I have. Not easiest, but the quickest, I'd say. So yeah, hopefully this makes sense to you guys, and yeah, I hope you guys like this. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you buy any of the products down below, if you try it yourself. Let me know. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Make sure to follow me on my socials as well on your way out. Bye.